What up, you guys? So after finding parking for an hour, don't even ask, we are here at Formula Drift with Christian. Damn. Sounds good, huh? These ones are nice. Raised. Oh man, Chris's car is so fucking nice. Fuck. Let me see, I'm gonna try to take a picture from this side. Because everybody's on the car, you know. Fuck. Maybe like a half zoom. Oh yes. Very nice. Clean house, Christian, you can eat from it. I should have even recorded Nina. My coworker is working, and also I'm gonna try to get a picture with Hero.
Thank you. One more time. All right, here we go. Matt Field, the Borla exhaust, Heatwave, Lean Custom, GT Radio, Corvette, boom! All right there, accident.
Actually, a secret is Christian. Oh, that's Larry Chen's. Larry Chen's Supra. HKS Japan. Hey you guys, so this is halftime. Actually, we got our top 16. So right now we just ended up walking around. And honestly, this is the most packed I feel ever FD was packed. Never seen it so busy, and also just driving around for all that for parking is just...
This is actually a pretty fun
Damn, Christian.
for track driving. Because when you take like long, yeah, it's like high RPM, extended duration, lateral G's, you can get a good amount.
It's crazy there is so little left from the original, you know, frame in the way of sense. Let me see that alignment there. Huh. And also, you guys, we just came and talked to Mike. So we got a little behind the scenes, and actually we managed to get into this tent. Most of the spectators don't manage to. So Mike is helping them run the cars and race the cars, setting up the suspension and dialing, you know, pressures and everything. So, you know, I know you're gonna be working, Mike, so we let you work, you know. And thank you so much for letting in, Mike, you know, check it out from close by. I appreciate it, Mike. Sorry. Hey. Man. Oh shit. How you doing, man? Good, man. Oh yeah. Just picking up even more. Damn, that's a cool quote. Pretty nice.
Maybe.
I'm gonna try to get some footage of them Garretts.
I would like to, but I don't know where to get it.
Also, you guys, I just want to get you guys some footage of Garrett turbos. Man, this thing is fucking massive.
Another BMW 4-year drive. It is Mitch Novak.
Might be in the background too. James Dean. first too.